world time mode of this watch. Now this watch has a function of the second time zone, or I would say a world time, for those frequent flyers to the from A to B destinations. You have the this option, which is a very great option. I would say that eliminates the GMT mode of the modern analog watches, which the digital watches make it to the another level. Now, straight to the fact, the world time digitally displays the current time in 30 cities or 29 time zones around the world. Now, to enter the world time mode, you just press the C button over here, which indicates on the lower left digital dial the letters world time, and as you can see, it's set to Berlin. Now, to shift between these two between the time zones and the cities, I forgot to say, it says Berlin, and over here it shows the time in Berlin. I would say 22 and 54. Now there's option to set these two the time and on these time zones manually. Now excuse me about that. To scroll between these cities, you just press the D button. Cairo, Jerusalem, Jeddah, and Kabul, Delhi, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Adelaide, Sydney, New York, Papua New Guinea, and now I don't know if you can see it. LAX, Chicago, New York City, Rio, London. Now I'm gonna get it back to the Berlin. It says 22 and 55 minutes. Now, how to I will end this part over here, and let's get to the setting of these two. Setting the second time zone, or the correct time on your second time zone, is done by this. Whilst in the world time mode, hold down button A until it starts to flash. Now the flashing says off, but what it means, it's the daylight setting time is off. Now how to change it is done by using the D or B button. The D button will toggle between the daylight saving time and the standard time. Now pressing the C button again will shift to hour, setting the hour, and I don't know if the camera catches, but it's 22 is blinking. Now use the A, D or B to increase or decrease the value of the hour. Now press C over here again to shift to minute settings, and it starts to flash. Now when it's flashing, use again D or the B button to increase or decrease minutes value. Now again pressing the C shuffles to the daylight saving time of the current time zone. Now as I said, I am set to Berlin. To exit the setting mode, press the A button, and we are showing the Berlin. It's 22:57. And to get back to timekeeping mode, press the button, this button, C button once. Now back to the timekeeping mode, regular timekeeping mode.